Hello everyone, welcome back to my Digicourse YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about social bookmarking, how to perform social bookmarking in SEO for getting a quality backlinks to your site, and then you can improve the better rankings of your site in SERP. So without any further delay, let's get started. Social bookmarking. Social bookmarking. This is also very easy technique. Also very easy technique for getting a high quality backlinks. First of all, what is this social bookmarking? Don't you know what is the meaning of bookmarking? Bookmark. Bookmarking means simply saving. Now here we have a bookmark. Can you see this? So if I bookmark this so that I can save it for later, so I can read it later or I can view it later. So for just saving it in your desktop, this bookmark will help you. But what is this social bookmarking? Social bookmarking means I am going to bookmark my website in social platforms, or social platforms means not only social media. So we have some social bookmarking sites where we can, bookmark our website URL. It is simply like getting into their websites and putting our website URL or writing some content over there if it is asking us, or writing some article. That's it. So just going into other websites and putting our website URL. So again, in order to do this social bookmarking, what is the main factors you should consider always? High DA and
Yeah.
so make sure that you choose websites which are having high DA and less spam score. So minimum DA and PA you have to choose. Minimum, like
80 to 100.
no. 50 to 100 would be always better. Okay. The next less spam score is 30.
30.
Okay, so if that website is having more than 30, then do not perform any activities, please. It's very dangerous. So if you get a backlink from the spammy website, then your website also become very spammy, right? So do you want to improve the spam in your site? No, right? So if you don't want, then don't get any backlink from high spam score websites. For social bookmarking, what all the things required to perform? First thing is that search for a social bookmarking websites. The next, in the website, if you get into the website, somewhere in the website, it will ask us to bookmark, or it will ask us to submit the article or submit a website. Somehow it will show us to submit website. Okay, submit the website, like that it will show us. The next, so some websites will ask us to write articles, or some websites just ask us to enter the website URL. It depends on the website. Okay, so if it is asking you to enter articles, just enter it. And if it is just asking you to enter website URL, just enter website URL. That's it. So before if you have to do a social bookmarking, what you have to do? Normally you also have to do profile creations in that website. So let me show you, you may not understand. Search for a social bookmarking sites like this, social bookmarking sites list 2021. Search like this, you will find out n number of results, as I said, for profile creations. And if you don't want that, you can also come back to your Digicourse always and search for a social bookmarking site. So here also I have listed out plenty of a social bookmarking sites list with the high DA and PA. You can just work on it. Let me click this. 200 plus high DA and PA social bookmarking sites list. Scroll down and there you go. You can see a plenty of site links. So choose any of these and create a social bookmarking. So now I am going to choose one. Opens faves. Okay, let me go with this openfaves.com. Okay, So now, don't you want to check DA and PA for this website, guys? Yes or no? So now
Yes.
I will check DA and PA for this site. Let us see. So search for domain authority checkers and then click this. The website URL. Check. I didn't check this. Okay, it is having 32 DA and 51 PA, and spam score is less. Okay, 11% spam score. So, but DA and PA are a bit less. Okay, I just want to show you the process. Let me do it now. I'm going to open Faves, and can you see somewhere, is it showing you anything like submit here? Okay, it is asking us to submit. Let me click this. Right. You must logged in to submit listing. So it is asking me to submit, I mean, login. So if it is asking you to log in means under which technique it comes? It comes under profile creations, right? So now let us log in into this account and see. Register. So we don't have an account yet. So I'll go and register. Username. So username, I would choose Digicourse online. So email address. Scroll down and register. Right. So now I have created a profile. So if you want to create a perfect profile, I mean, again, like same like a profile creations, go here and edit your profile, like go to your account section and try editing your usernames if you want, passwords if you want, you can simply do that. So now what I would like to do is I would like to bookmark my website, right? Let me see here. I have something like submit article. Very good. So there you go. You have a website URL. Okay. So for doing social bookmarking, only few websites will ask us to enter specific keyword. Yes, of course, this website is asking me. So what I have to do is I have to choose, I have to come up with the idea, first of all, for which keyword I would like to get a backlinks. So that is what this time I would like to go with SEO training. This is my focusing keyword. So I would like to improve our rankings for this keyword SEO training in Hyderabad. So I'm taking this particular URL and let's get back to this website and enter this. And you have to enter the title also. So title means your focusing keyword. I would like to enter training in Hyderabad with okay, this is my title. So choose category under which category your blog or your website comes. So it's education and training. And tags is simply like a secondary keyword. So I would choose something like SEO training, SEO coaching. The next location, it is, yeah. So email address, phone number, address, and description about the website. Look, get your job ready. I agree. My God, still I have to write up. Don't copy it again. Just try to write it on your own words. Not robot. Preview and submit. So post submitted successfully. There you go. This is how your article or your website bookmark looks like. So here I have keyword, I have website URL, I have contact numbers, and I have also mentioned a mail address and location. So this is how your stuff looks like. And post submitted successfully, your listing will be visible once approved. So this website will take some time to review your article or to review your bookmark. So once it got approved, you will be getting a mail, and you have to use that URL in the submitted link. Okay. So that's it, guys. This is how we create a social bookmarking. So what I have done, just entering into the other platforms who have a high DA and PA, and tried entering my URL and gave some details about my article. That's it. So for every businesses, for every niche, you have to perform the social bookmarking the same way. Is it clear? So now how to maintain an Excel sheet for social bookmarking? Let me show you. Open your Excel sheet, submission type, next website URL. What is the DA and PA of the site? And what is a spam score? Submitted link, submitted URL or submitted link. So what is the submission type, guys? It's a social bookmarking. And what is the website URL? I have worked on openfaves.com. So take this entire URL and come back here, enter it. The next, what is a DA? I forgot the DA, 3251. 30. Then what is a spam score? It's 11. Then submitted URL. What is a submitted URL here? So you can simply use this, preview article URL and then save it here. Put it here. So why? Because the link is not approved yet. So once you got approved, you will be getting an entire URL for your article. So as of now, we didn't the URL. I mean, the link has not approved yet, right? So at the time, it will take some time. So like this, you have to perform social bookmarking, and this social bookmarking is also a consistent process. You have to keep on doing it. Don't expect the rankings in just one day. Okay, so